Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Dim Rail Energy Watt Meter. I ordered it and it arrived after a month. This is kind of transparent, as you can see. I'm not sure if this light is reflecting well enough. See if I can zoom. Alright, it's transparent. Apparently this came with a button. It's 80 amps capacity, and you can use this button to change the meter reading for the upper row, or you can press it to reset the temporary wattage. So as usual, I've got some equipment here that I'm going to use. I've got this 9.5 watts energy saving bulb, and I normally use this enclosure. This is wireless enclosure. It makes it very pretty and easy to mount. So you mount it on this and you can close it up like that. But we're gonna get to that point later on. I'm going to use this wire as my input terminal from the top, and I'm gonna use a lamp here as the output terminal, and I'm gonna connect the bulb to the bulb holder there. So let's get started. All right, that's 9.5 watt. So, and also I have another watt meter here. This can also show me the voltage. I'm currently using this for the microwave. So for this month so far from the microwave, I've used £1 and 46 pence. But when you press on the function, it will tell you the total kilowatt hour used. It will tell you the voltage, current voltage, and the current amps, and the peak watt and the low watt. This is currently the lowest wattage, and this is the peak voltage from the microwave, and the overload, and we're back to the voltage. All right, so as usual, this is very easy to put together. This is our input terminal, and right on it has the label. You have the, I believe, the live and the neutral. So the live is on the right hand side and the neutral is on the left. I'm not sure, I don't think this can be seen properly, but you can see L and neutral when you purchase this product. Now, when you start deploying this, you need to make sure this is well tightened and the terminal is well connected. And I'm going to pull the neutral to the left hand side. Just trying to get some more light here. And to the output, in the same vein, I've got the live on the right hand side and the neutral on the left hand side. So I'm just going to connect this first, and to the left hand side I've got the neutral. Now I want to put this in a proper orientation. before I get that done properly, I would just put in the bulb here. Okay, that's well positioned. Now this particular DIN rail energy meter comes with backlight, unlike the previous one. Just to show you where the show you the manual. So DIN rail single phase electronic energy meter, the user manual. Some information have been provided and the way to connect it. I'm gonna pull that aside, and here we have the input cable, right? All right, so we've got light. We've got light here. See if I can move this on the side. And you can see the blue LCD and the backlight right here. Hope this zooms in properly. And right on this watt meter, it's showing the voltage as 10.1. I am suspecting that this energy meter, watt meter, DIN rail watt meter, or digital DIN rail watt meter is taking maybe like 0.5 amps or something, or 5 amps, because the light bulb itself it's taking 9.5, but here it's showing 10.1. But let's see what this one is reading exactly. All right, so in order to navigate through this, we'll just move to the next screen. I'm not sure what the first screen should be saying here, but here we've got 240 volts. On this one, we just want to see what the voltage is saying. This is 239.9, approximately 240 volts. Yeah. And the amps here is 0.06. Let's see what the amp is saying here. This is showing 0.084. Give and take, because of the DIN rail electronic module, we'll be making use of some amps as well, so we can approximate that to be 0.8. All right, now it's showing 0.6. Okay, and the voltage, as you can see there, it's 9.7, 9.8. The energy consumption from the bulb itself is 9.5. So I believe the reading is kind of like up and down. I'm not sure what is happening, but approximately it's still looking okay. Now the top one here is the temporary usage, energy usage, and the bottom one is the permanent one. The bottom one cannot be reset, but the top one can be reset. It would normally tell you the amount of amps that you have used in a day. Sorry, the amount of voltage you've used in a day. So right now we've not really used anything because I just plugged this in less than 2 minutes ago. So this seems to be looking good. I think I will be making use of this particular product, unlike the previous one that I bought. And one of the reasons why I like this is the fact that you can control exactly what you want to see, rather than the device itself just automatically changing interface. But this one you can control yourself and go to the information you want to get. So that's 10.1. This is 9.7. So I'm happy with the information that I'm getting from it, and I'm going to test the second one as well to see what that is going to produce. I want to see that the information is kind of consistent on the two modules. I mean, the two products. I bought two of them, so I'm going to test that one as well and see how it goes. All right, guys. Here's the second one. I'm going to be taking this out and testing it as well. Just want to do this at the same time. You would also get this one to cover the terminals. It comes with the package, and you get the manual, and you get this module as well. So I just want to quickly run through the information we have here. Now, the top row shows you the total energy consumption in a day. The one on the bottom shows you the entire total consumption that you've had on this product. That cannot be reset, but the top upper one can be reset. On the next row, it tells you what the voltage is. And I've been trying to compare it with this one, 238.5, 238.7. Approximately, that looks accurate to me. And it tells you the total amps you're consuming, 0.06. Over here it's showing 0.084. Not too much of difference, probably because of this module. This module is connected to this, so that will also take some energy from the entire connection. And we've got the voltage. The bulb itself is 9.5. Here it's showing 9.7, 9.6, 9.8. Not too much of a difference. I can still kind of take that. And it tells you the power factor. And back to the main screen. So I'm going to disconnect this and put the second one. I want to see what that is going to come up with. All right. So just to make sure things are connected properly. All right, and we need to connect the part of the load now. All right, guys, the two terminals are in the input and the output. So I'm going to connect this time around and see. All right, the light is up. The LCD has come up. Let's see what we've got here. All right, just like the other one, you can see the total energy consumption at the top and the permanent total consumption since the this module has been in operation. You will see that row on the bottom, as I mentioned earlier on. So let's go to this. Let's start with this one. So this is telling us the voltage. Let's compare it with this one. So we've got 239.4, 239.5. That looks good. Now this one is showing 0.07 in terms of amps. The other one was showing 0.06. Okay, it's fluctuating back and forth, 0.06, 0.07. Yeah, we can take that for now. Let's see, maybe it's not settled. This time around it's showing 10 watt. 10 watt. The other one was showing I'm not sure if I can remember that right now. I think that was around 9.8 it was showing. Yes, 9.8. This energy light bulb is 9.5. So this one is kind of constant, 9.9 on 10. We've got the power factor, that's like 60. And yeah, that's about it for now. This seems to be kind of like about the same information they're giving out. Usually you would want something like this to settle down so that the memory can get used to the electrical current that is flowing through it and to be able to give some more accurate information. But once this is deployed, I'm going to give you more information. This is more of like unboxing and testing process. So thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned. I've got another module that I'm going to be testing and unboxing as well, or unboxing and testing. So watch out for that video, probably in the next video. Cheers.